What's up, everybody? This is Good Citizen here. I'm on East Bowie Street. There was a pickle truck that caught on fire here, and real quick to check it out. Walking on the street real quick. I'm gonna walk across. Walking across. That was a truck fire right there. Across, we got a better view. Ford pickup truck got fire. Turned off. Yeah, there was two fire department pickup trucks that came to the scene to help out, and two PDs to assist. I know they're evaluating the pickup truck. Hope everything's okay. It's just cool. It's hot, but let me go over here to the corner. There it is. Sorry, guys. They're washing out the engine bay with water. It's hot. So it's cool. Kinda hot today. So came by, that's about it.